Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Exercise 1C, question number 5 is solve the quadratic equation ax squared minus bx plus c equals to 0, giving your answer in terms of a, b, and c. Then, how do the solutions of this equation relate to the solution of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0? So now the solution, first we will do the first part, means we will solve the quadratic equation, this ax square minus bx plus c equals to 0. So we will write the of the quadratic standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here what is a? A does a represent the coefficient of x squared? According to the equation, the a is equals to a, then b is equals to the negative b, and c is equals to the small c. So the quadratic formula we will use here, which is x equals to minus b plus minus. Now here we will use the capital B because we wrote it our quadratic equation in capital letters. So it would be b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we will substitute the values in formula. X equals to, the b means it's minus b, so minus and minus b plus minus root minus b whole square, and minus 4a is small a, c is small c, divided by 2a. So here we will further simplify. Now minus minus it will be plus, so x is equals to b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. The first part we wrote it in terms of a, b, c, our answer. The second we have to relate both. A relationship to the solution of the second equation, relationship to the solution of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So as we know that the equation for this, which represent the x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let's suppose this is, we are saying our equation, we got the 1, and this is the equation 2. So this is x1 and this is x2 for the second equation. So if we will equate or factor out the minus sign from there, so we can make the same x1. So let's factor out minus sign, factor out minus sign, minus sign from equation 2. Equation 2. So here it would be x2 equals to minus, we will factor out it, so it becomes b, and now the positive sign will change into one, negative, negative into positive. When we are factoring the negative sign, so it will change rest of all the sign. So here outside there, a root, the sign would be minus and plus, and then the remaining values we will keep same. B square minus 4ac, it will not change in the root, it will just change outside values, divided by 2a. So as we know, this is minus plus or plus minus, both are the same. So we can say that the x2 is equals to negative sign we will keep same, but this value is equals to the equation one. Is it? It represents the equation one, so it means we can replace here the x1. So we can say that these are the inverse relation they have. So this negative sign basically represent the both solutions are opposite to each other. Negative sign means they are exactly opposite to each other. The values are same. We got the same value here, the same value here, but there we got the negative sign. So negative sign means these are exactly opposite both solution to each other.